Dance like nobody's watching. Stress has a funny way of catching up to us sometimes. As a first responder, it might start off as acute stress. You witness something traumatic, but you work through it. Then over time, maybe something else happens, but you don't get the help you need, and it festers along and lingers and becomes post-traumatic stress. Or all too often in the case of first responders, we experience cumulative stress. The average citizen experiences somewhere between 2 to 3 traumatic events in a lifetime, where a first responder can experience hundreds. Everybody deals with stress differently, and it has a funny way of catching up to us. As a young rookie officer, the veteran teaches you, sit with your back to the door, watch all the exits. You don't think much of it, and then as time goes by, you find yourself doing it unconsciously, paying extra attention. Then one day you wake up, walk out into your living room to find that your loved one has opened up all the windows. You can see the whole world driving by, and they can see you. You find yourself stopped dead in your tracks, overstimulated. Your heart rate increases, and you realize, yep, the stress has caught up. We have to find ways to relieve that stress sooner. Maybe something as simple as cooking a dinner with a loved one, or dancing like nobody's watching.